Trisha Hershberger is back to help elevate our digital world with smart upgrades. From standout tech finds to savvy ways to organize your digital space and trade in old devices for something new, she's got simple solutions that make everyday technology more efficient and more fun. Hi, Trisha.
Hey there. Let's talk about getting your tech and gaming up to speed. Time to spring clean your tech. First, turn clutter into cash by selling used camera gear to MPB. MPB provides higher payouts than competitors, a stress-free sell process, and speedy payments to your bank account. All reasons why over 1 million visual storytellers choose MPB when they want to sell, shop, or swap gear. So don't let your used camera collect dust. Give used gear new life and earn cash. Get a free instant quote from MPB to see what your gear's worth. THX brings even deeper immersion to the Skullcandy Crusher Player 720 gaming headset, now adding camera-based head tracking for PC and laptop gaming. It's the first headset to combine Skullcandy's patented Crusher multi-sensory bass with THX spatial audio for a truly 3D experience. You'll feel the roar of dragons and the rumble of distant artillery from the correct in-game direction. With THX spatial audio with head tracking, every movement is captured for ultra-accurate positional audio, giving you a real competitive edge and a more immersive game. I've also been looking at upgrading to the new AOC Aegon Pro 27-inch QHD QD OLED tournament gaming monitor. The QD OLED screen offers genuine blacks, extreme color accuracy, and over 1 billion colors to make everything you love on screen come alive. The QHD panel with Visa certified display HDR 400 displays ultra-sharp detail, vibrant color, and deep contrast as well. Combine that with 240 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, AMD FreeSync Premium, and NVIDIA G-Sync, and you've got the full suite. There's even special RGB lighting at the back for some fun backlighting and customization. Currently $50 off on Amazon. For more information on anything we've discussed today, head to our sponsor, dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Trisha.